Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, and if you're a new subscriber, please make sure to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. So in this video today, I'm creating a makeup look for you guys to see. I'm really excited because it's been long I did a YouTube makeup video. Okay, so if you want to see how I created this look today, just stay tuned and keep on watching. And of course, first of all, I'm going to blow dry my hair, so let's get into the video. I'm back. So I'm really nervous to do this look. Why? Because I'm thinking about doing this look without doing my brows, and I have never I've never ever done a look without brows, so fingers crossed. So I'm going to lay my brows using some got2b gel, and I'm just going to allow it to sit for a bit and we get right into it. Taking my Morphe palette, the 35OM palette, I'm going to use that brown shade there, and I'm going to pack that on my crease. Yes guys, I always use the same palette over and over again, but don't worry, do not worry, I'm getting new palettes and new makeup very soon. So I'm just going to press that on my lid and make sure it comes out really well and vibrant. Now I'm going in with the houseoftara palette, my favorite colorful palette at the moment, very affordable. I'm taking that light pink shade and I'm using that to blend the chocolatey brown eyeshadow I put in the beginning. So I'm really blending it very smoothly. So I'm using this Vaseline trick from Louis base. It's a very good trick. Is it a trick? I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Just where I want my crease to be. That's where I'm cutting. And I'm going in with my wipe. So I'm going in with my NYX jumbo pencil milk, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. So going in with my Galaxy Chic palette, I'm using the shade Mercury, and I'm going to set that. So next I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going with my dry beauty blender, and I'm just going to apply it here to give me a base. Yes. Like that. And then I'm going in with my angle brush and the Blossom palette, taking this shade from the Blossom palette and I'm going to put it here. I'm just making a slant line first. And then I'm going in with this pink shade from the houseoftara palette, and I'm going to blend everything in. I'm also going in with the same shade. I'm just going to make like a little wing here. Just draw a little line, slants like that, and bring it down like that. And then blend it. So going in with a lash glue, I'm going to use that to apply my glitters. So I'm just drawing a line over the little wing I made at the corner, and I'm just packing some gold glitters on it, following and tracing the wing I made. I'm going in with some rhinestones, and I'm going to use it to decorate here. And I'm going in with this star, this decoration also. So guys, it's something like this. I'm going to go ahead and do the second eyes, and I'll come back and we'll see how it ended up. So this is the whole look, guys. I hope you really like it. I really like how it came out and how everything is put together. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, like please, and comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.